Alright, I've been looking for a couple of years for a good cheap digital scope for out here in the garage. You go to the ham swap meets and they got a bunch of old analog Tektronix scopes and they want more than I can buy a new digital scope for. So for now, I moved my digital scope from in my radio room out here to the garage. I got some projects out here that need some scope time. This tram, it's definitely one of them. We've been unable to figure out what the hell is going on. I've taken all the tubes out, the crystal board, the mixer board. I rebuilt the main power, 12 volt power supply, the low voltage board. Put all that stuff in another tram, and it worked great. But yeah, when I try to run this tram, it's putting out power. Everything seems like it's working, except the frequency counter goes nuts. Now I've turned the mic gain all the way off. Tried lots of things, and the frequency counter just goes batshit crazy. I'm not seeing where I've got any hum or noise or anything in it. So I did not put these caps or any of that stuff in the high voltage section of this. Somebody else did. That's the only place I have left to look, is somebody effed up. So we built that variable high voltage power supply just for things like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take voltage samples at the high voltage stage with our voltmeter. We're going to see what the voltage is. Then we're going to unhook that. We're going to dial up my new laboratory high voltage power supply that I built. We'll dial it up to that voltage, unhook the circuitry in the tram, hook my power supply up to it, then test it and see if we get a clean signal. Then if we do, Valhalla, we'll know what to mess with. So stay tuned for that. That should be an action-packed episode coming up on Psychotech Labs. Stay tuned.